Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. I'm back again with another video going over the best free live TV or IPTV applications in 2024. And the application I'm going to take a look at this week is XUMO Play. So before I dive into any more details, I first want to let you know that XUMO Play is available inside the Google Play Store, the Amazon App Store, Apple App Store, and Roku Channel Store. On Google Play, it has over 1 million downloads and almost a 4 out of 5 star review with almost 10,000 reviews. So based on this, I can be 100% certain that XUMO Play is legal to install and use on our devices. So you can go to play.xumo.com if you want to access this on any web browser. And you'll see here up top, there's 5 different options. There's networks, TV shows, free movies, discover, and live guide. Now I want to show you the application on my Amazon Fire Stick. So I'll go through more of this in more detail. So now what I'm going to do is plug in my Fire Stick and show you the XUMO Play application instead of the web browser. All right, so I just plugged in my Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max, but guys, you can install the XUMO Play application on any Fire Stick, Fire TV device, Android device, Roku devices, and also Apple devices. So if you're using a Fire Stick like I am in this example, all you would do is hover over Find, click Search, and you would type in XUMO. And you'd see an option for XUMO right here. You would click that. And here is XUMO Play under Apps and Games. And you would simply install that in a few clicks. So I already have it installed, so I'm not going to go through the installation. So if I come back to the home screen, let's launch XUMO Play. Give it a few seconds to boot up for the first time as I just installed this. And right away on the left, very similar to what I just showed you. We have Live Guide, Discover, Free Movies, TV shows, and Networks. So over Live Guide, it says find out what's on now from 300 plus networks. So there are over 300 channels available in XUMO Play. And there are also hundreds of free movies and hundreds of free TV shows as well. So a couple things I want to point out here first is one of the features that I enjoy about XUMO Play is this networks option. So instead of scrolling through 300 channels, if I click networks, you'll see they have it broken out by networks. We have ION, Dateline 24/7, American Crimes, News Live, ABC News Live, CBS News, and all of these other options as I'm scrolling through. This is just a really cool organizational feature that I enjoy myself. The other unique feature of XUMO Play is this Discover option. You'll see it says New right next to it. Discover what's new, see what's waiting for you today. So if I click that, this is simply just going to pull up some random options here. This is the first time I've used it, so it's going to be random. But if you use XUMO Play more and more, the algorithm is going to, put together and start to figure out what you like to watch, and it's going to recommend options based on what you've previously watched. So here it has XUMO Originals, so some of these look pretty interesting to me actually. Top Picks for You, Curiosity Stream. Just a really cool feature that you don't see on other free applications is this Discover option. So now I'm going to click Live Guide, and I want to kind of show you through this working electronic program guide. You'll see here as I'm scrolling through, here are the categories for live channels. Recommended, news, weather, movies, sports, combat sports, crime TV, action and drama, comedy, horror and sci-fi, and on and on and on. So a lot of great options, even some local news channels here as well provided by XUMO Play. And on the right, you can scroll through here and just see using an electronic program guide interface. This is just very easy to see, and I really enjoy XUMO Play's EPG. So now let's say I want to add some channels to my favorites. Now there are 300 channels in total, and there's probably only a few that I'm going to want to watch. So for example, let's use Fox Weather now. If I want to add this to my favorites, what I would do is simply click it, and this would launch the channel to begin playing. And if I click down, what you'll see here is this option for a heart icon. And if I click that heart icon, Fox Weather Now is now added to my favorites. And if I click the back button on my remote and go back to the EPG interface and click Live Guide and I scroll all the way up, you'll see my favorites. And right here, I should see the Fox weather now under my favorites. So that's just a quick way to add channels to your favorites. So now going back, let's look at some of the options for on-demand content. Free movies. If I click free movies, here are some of the categories for free movies. Featured, most popular. What's interesting about XUMO is they also have some of their own movies as well. So XUMO originals, XUMO exclusives, editor's picks recently added. We also have action, thriller, crime, comedy, sci-fi, fantasy, westerns, romance, etc., etc. So on the right-hand side here, what I like here is featured and most popular on top. So if I look through this list, there's some decent names here in terms of titles that I remember under most popular. So there are hundreds of these options. You can click load more videos, and this will show you more of what's in their library. But you can scroll down and look at whatever you want here as well. So a lot of Westerns. That's what I've noticed about XUMO is they're known for some of these Western movies. So if you're into Westerns, XUMO is a great place to go. XUMO exclusives, again, some Western movies here. We have some holiday movies, but just tons of different options here that are completely for free to watch. Same with TV shows. If I click TV shows, you'll see it is similar categories. So we have Curiosity Stream, kids, travel, food, talk shows, classic TV, crime TV. So I'm kind of into the classics a little bit. So if you click classics, a lot of, some notable names here as you're scrolling through. Crime TV, there's a lot of notable crime options, paranormal, wildlife, history, talk shows, food. Again, just great options here considering XUMO Play is a free application that you can use on any device. So guys, that's a quick overview of XUMO Play. The last thing I want to show you are some settings. We have closed captions. You can use text to speech and also personalize your location, as this will get you some options for it says sports and news and weather if you enter your specific zip code. So really, again, another really cool feature. But that's it, guys. That is the XUMO Play application and why it's one of the best free live TV or IPTV apps in 2024. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to like this video. Also, guys, I really want you to leave me a comment below if there are any other apps that you are using and you want me to take a deeper look at and create a future video on. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, I appreciate all of you being here, and I hope you all have a great day.